Moving on to exercise 4.5. Examine the consistency of the equations. Consistency na enna artham? You have to find out the determinant of A. Idu 0 ah irka illa not equal to 0 ah irka nu check pananum. Okay? So this is the consistency. You have to find out if it's a non-singular matrix. Non-singular na determinant is going to be not equal to 0. This is going to be singular. So this is going to be singular. This is going to be non-singular. Okay? Idu the consistency. Now, first subsection, you have x 2y. So first let me write the matrix A, which is going to be 1, 2, 2 and 3. You need not bother about the other matrix, but I'll write it for the first question. So you have x, y and B matrix is going to be 2 and 3. Okay, so we are only bothered about the A matrix here. So determinant of A is going to be 3 minus 4, which is going to be minus 1. This is not equal to 0, which means we have a unique solution. Okay, and hence it is going to be consistent. This is your first question. Okay, now second question, you have the matrix A to be 2, minus 1, 1 and 1. Okay, so in the case the determinant of A is going to be 2 minus of minus 1, which is going to be 3. So this is also not equal to 0. So you have a unique solution and consistent. Okay, then now third subsection, 1, 3, 2, 6. So third question, A equals 1, 3, 2, 6. So here the determinant of A is going to be 6 minus 6, which is going to be 0. So this is not consistent. So in the particular case la nama enna paakano, you have to look for ipo determinant of A inverse is going to be 1 by determinant of A times adjoint A, and x equals A inverse times B, which is going to be 1 by determinant A times adjoint A times B. So in the mari cases la you have to look for adjoint A times B. So aduk first adjoint A kandupidikalama. So adukku you need to find the minus first. So m11 equals, when I hide this, we're going to have 6. Then m12 equals 2, m21 equals 3, m22 equals 1. Okay, idella namakku panna theriyano. So these are the minus. Now cofactors, a11 equals 6, a12 equals minus 2, a21 equals minus 3 and a22 equals 1. So from this, the cofactor matrix of A is going to be 6 minus 2 minus 3 1, and adjoint A is going to be 6 minus 3 minus 2 1. Okay, now let's find adjoint A times B. So adjoint A times B is going to be, adjoint A matrix and on the 6 minus 3 minus 2 1. Okay, 6 minus 3 minus 2 1, and what is your B matrix going to be? B matrix is this particular matrix. I'll write the B here. It is going to be 5 8. So you have 5 8, and this is going to be first row first column. So 6 5s are 30 minus 24 minus 10 plus 8. So this is going to be 30 minus 24 is 6, then minus 10 plus 8 is going to be minus 2. So this is not equal to 0, which means you have adjoint A times B is not equal to 0. So you have no solutions. Okay, so if this was equal to 0, you will have infinitely many solutions. In the earthla nama adha paathirupom. You have to look for the theory. So here you have adjoint A times B is not equal to 0, now you have no solution. If it's equal to 0, you have infinitely many solutions. So consistent ah illaya nu ipdi check pannu. Okay, do watch the previous videos also. Explanation enga kuduthirukeno. Okay, so this particular question has no solutions. Okay, now question number 4. Let me write the matrix. So A equals, matrix is going to be 1 1 1, 2 3 2, A and 2A. X matrix is going to be X, Y and Z. B matrix is going to be 1 2 4. Okay, this is X matrix. So idu consistent ah illaya check pannom. So I need to find the determinant of A. What is the determinant of A? I can do it along row 1. So row 1 vechu panna I'll have A11, A12, A13. Okay, so A11 na I can do it 1 minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 times the determinant is going to be, when I do this, I'll have 3 2 A 2A, then plus minus 1 to the power, when I erase this, 1 plus 2 times 1 into determinant of, when I hide this, I'm going to have 2 2A 2A, then plus minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 times the determinant is going to be 2 3 A. Okay, So this is going to be minus 1 poidum. 3 2s are 6. 6a minus 2a. This is the first term. Then here I'm going to have a minus times 4a minus 2a. Then here I'll have a plus times 2a minus 3a. So what is there here? I have 4a minus 2a minus a. So this is 4a minus 2a is 2a minus a is simply going to be a. So but determinant of a is going to be a, but namakku a value enna theriyadu. So you have the determinant of a equals a. So case 1, when a equals 0, which means determinant of a is going to be 0. So determinant of a is 0 now, what do we say? This is going to be a singular matrix and this is going to be not consistent. So also you have the third equation which says ax plus ay plus 2az equals 4. So in that 0 pota enna agum 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 4. So from this you are getting 0 equals 4, which is not possible. So a equals 0 is not a possible condition. So in the mari panna mudiyadhu. What is your case 2? Case 2 is when a is not equal to 0, which means determinant of a is going to be some a, which means you have a value. This is not equal to 0. So andha mari irundaduna, this is a non-singular matrix and this is going to be consistent with unique solutions. Okay, so இப்படி தான் எழுதணும். consistent ஆ இல்லையான்னு கேட்டாங்கன்னா examல you have to find the determinant. Okay, please copy. Now question number 5, again you have to find the consistency. So let me write the matrix A. A is going to be 3 minus 1 minus 2. Then inga x coefficient illa, so 0 2 minus 1. Then here it is going to be 3 minus 5, there is no z coefficient. So this is also going to be 0. And X matrix is going to be X, Y, Z. And B matrix is going to be 2, minus 1, 3. Okay, as usual. Now you need to find the determinant of A. So what is the determinant of A? It is going to be along which column or row pannalam? I can do it along the first column. So this is going to be enna value A11, A21, A31. Ena anga da 0 irukku. So I can do that. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 3 times determinant enna irukku podhu is going to be 2 minus 1 minus 5 0, then plus 0 plus, then minus 1 3 plus 1 times inga or 3 irukku, the determinant is going to be minus 1 minus 2 2 minus 1. When you take the determinant you have 3 times 0 minus 5 plus 0 plus 3 times 1 minus of minus 4. So 1 plus 5. So from this you have minus 15 plus 15, which is going to be 0. So determinant A 0 vanduchu. You have to look for adjoint A now. So you need to find the minus M11. So first M11 kandupidikalama. I'll erase this. So I need to find out M11, which is this. So 2 minus 1 minus 5 0. 2 minus 1 minus 5 0. So this is going to be minus 5. Then M12 equals, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு cofactor கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். M12 is going to be hiding this 0 minus 1 3 0. 0 minus 1 3 0. So this is going to be plus 3. Then M13 equals determinant of 13 na hiding this and this. So you have 0 2 3 minus 5. 0 2 3 minus 5. So this is going to be 0 minus 6. Then M21 is going to be determinant of 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 0. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 0. So this is minus 10. Then M22 equals determinant of 3 minus 2 3 0. 3 minus 2 3 0. So this is going to be plus 6. Then M23 equals determinant of 3 minus 1 3 minus 5. 3 minus 1 3 minus 5. So you have minus 15 plus 3, which is going to be minus 12. Then M31 is going to be determinant of minus 1 minus 2 2 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 2 minus 1. So this is 1 minus of minus 4. So 1 plus 4 5. Then M32 is going to be determinant of 3 minus 2 0 minus 1. 3 minus 2 0 minus 1. So this is minus 3 plus 0 minus 3. Then M33, last element, is going to be determinant of 3 minus 1 0 2. 3 minus 1 0 2. So this is going to be 3 2s are 6. Now cofactors. So I want A11 is going to be minus 1 square times minus 5, which is going to be minus 5. Then A12 equals minus 1 cube times 3, which is minus 3. Then A13 equals minus 1 times 4 times minus 6, which is going to be minus 6. Then A21 equals minus 1 cube times minus 10, which is going to be plus 10. Then you have A22, which is going to be minus 1 power 4 times 6, which is 6. A23 equals minus 1 to the power 5 times minus 12, which is going to be plus 12. Then A31 equals minus 1 to the power 4 times A31 na 5, which is going to be 5. Then A32 equals minus 1 to the power 5 times minus 3, which is plus 3. Then A33 equals minus 1 to the power 6 times 6, which is going to be 6. So, if a cofactor matrix of A, it is going to be first row you have minus 5, minus 3, minus 6. So, you have minus 5, minus 3, minus 6. Second row you have 10, 6, 12. So, 10, 6, 12. Last row 5, 3, 6. So, you have 5, 3, 6. So, idhilende adjoint A enna varukapodhu, it is going to be row becomes the column. Illaya? So, you have minus 5, minus 3, minus 6, 10, 6, 12, 5, 3, 6. Okay. So, you found the adjoint A. Ipo enna kandupidikano? You need to find adjoint A times B. So, inge panna poren. I'll do adjoint A times B matrix, which is going to be adjoint A enna vandhathu minus 5, 10, 5, minus 5, 10, 5, minus 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, minus 6. Last row you have 12, 6. 12, 6. So, this is adjoint A times B matrix enna nammalodathu 2, minus 1, 3. Okay. 2, minus 1, 3. When you start multiplying this, you have first row and one and only column. So, 5 2s are 10. Minus 10, minus 10, plus 15. Next, minus 6, plus 9, minus 12, plus 18. So, this is going to be minus 20 plus 15 is minus 5. Minus 12 plus 9 is minus 3. Then minus 24 plus 18 is going to be minus 24 plus 18 is minus 6. So, this is not equal to 0, which means they are not consistent. But enna option not equal to 0 na, this is going to be no solution. Okay. Equal to 0 on vandaduna infinitely many solutions. Okay. Punjada, please copy. Question number 6. Okay. Idhiliyum adhe mari you have to find the consistency. So, you have A matrix, which is 5, minus 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 5, minus 2, 6. Okay. And X matrix is going to be as usual X, Y, Z. And B is going to be 5, 2, minus 1. So, first determinant of A kandupidikalama. Determinant A is going to be along enna row pannalam. I can do it along first column. Okay, anga da negative la nariya illa. So, first column panna I have A11, A21, A31. Okay. So, this is going to be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 times 5 into determinant enna varukapodhu. When I hide this and this, you have 3, 5, minus 2, 6. Then plus minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 times 2 into, now the determinant is going to be, when I erase this, you have minus 1, 4, minus 2, 6. Then plus last element is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1, 5 into determinant is going to be, when I erase this, you have minus 1, 4, 3, 5. Minus 1, 4, 3, 5. Determinant is going to be, this is going to give you a plus 1, this is a minus 1, this is a plus 1. So, you will have 5 times determinant 10 as 6 3s are 18 minus of minus 10. So, plus 10. Then minus 2 into minus 6 plus 8. Then plus 5 times minus 5 minus 12. So, this is going to be 5 into 28 minus 2 into plus 2 plus 5 into minus 70. Okay, when you multiply this inside, 8 5s are 40, 4 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, minus 4, minus 7 5s are 35, 3 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8. So, you have 140 minus 85 minus 4 is going to be 89. So, 140 minus 89, when you simplify this, you are going to have 1, 13 minus 8 is going to be 51. Okay, so this is going to be 51, which is not equal to 0. So, determinant A is not equal to 0, which means they are consistent and have unique solution. Okay, A inverse வந்து not equal to 0 பேசிக்கா. So A inverse is going to be 1 by determinant A times adjoint A இல்லையா? இந்த இடத்துல denominator not equal to 0 வரணும். அப்பதான் நம்மளுக்கு unique solution கிடைக்கும். So that is what we are trying to prove here. Okay? So consistent இருக்கணும். Okay?